I have some polishes from an indie company called Contrary Polish that I wanted to swatch for you guys. I just have a total of 3. These are from Contrary Polish. This one right here is actually on my nails. This is 2 coats. This is a purple tone, and this one's called Banshee. This is more of a gray tone. This one is called Ashes. And then here's a topper. This one's called Dewy. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys and apply the topper on a different color so you guys could see how well these look. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry up and then apply another coat. These are almost dry, and as you could see, the gray dries up as a matte. You're not going to see much of the topper, but I'm going to apply it on top of the pink. Here, I'll show you guys right now. It's really pretty. A little bit of glitter, and it makes, I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but it looks beautiful. Alright, so here's the second coat of the gray. This one again is called Ashes. And then Banshee. That's what I have on my nails. I will do a different video, a nail art design using that polish. Sorry about that. So, yep, these are second coaters right here. I think they're very pretty. It's a gentle color. They're not creamy at all, but they're beautiful, as you could see here. You could see this. The topper, you could see how beautiful that looks. Looks real pretty on the pink as well. You can apply it on any color you want. You can even apply on top of these to give it a little swag look. And that's it for this video. I'm going to keep it short. Just wanted to swatch these 3 colors. These are indie polishes again, and the name of the company is called Contrary Polish. You'll usually find them if you go to like a polish con. They do that twice a year. I've only been to one. I've been to the one that they had in Chicago. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Take care. God bless. Bye.